Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10 lines on fish. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, fish is an aquatic animal. Second line is, they are found in ponds, rivers, sea and oceans. Third line is, people also keep them in their homes in aquarium. Fourth line is, they cannot survive outside water. Fifth line is, they have two eyes, wings, scales and a tail. Sixth line is, they have gills which is used for breathing inside the water. Seventh line is, they eat algae, plants and other zooplankton in water bodies. Eighth line is, larger fishes eat smaller ones. Next line is, they are considered as a good source of nutrients, so people also consume them as food. Last line is, they are very important animal for humans.